Cool.
We're going hiking at Daniel Point Park, which is up coast, about an hour from Gibson's, and we'll go check it out.
Well, so far it's really exciting. How's your experience so far?
Good. It's nice. It's all downhill. Somebody's done a lot of work on the steps, whether they're wood or they're stone. It's very nice, and it's cool walking beside this big rock face because it's like, I don't know, 27 or 28 degrees today, and we're kind of between the trees and the rock face. It's a little bit cool out here still, so that's really good. And yeah, there's even a little bit of a view poking through right now. Oh, that's really nice, eh?
That's cool. Huh. I want to check this out. I wonder if people come swimming in these little spots, or if it's
I think that'd be a bit of an adventure to get down there, wouldn't it? I don't know. I would think there'd be better spots.
yeah.
You want to go right down to the water? Oh, the breeze is really nice.
Lee Bay, and behind us up there was Pender Hill.
This is it, is it? Wow. I was expecting something way uglier. So 20 minutes only.
Yeah, I expected much more of a hike. I expected it to be longer and harder. Well, let's pick a spot we feel like being. We could go up or we could go to the water. It's kind of hard to decide. Oh, hot rocks.
What do you see?
A pitchfork. Pitchfork. Cool. To be in a bay, you can't